So a standard stack bed foot piece consists of 4 planks, 2 short planks. The holes on the inside of these 2 planks, they come in pairs, need to face each other, and then the 3 holes at the front need to face the same direction. So 2 side planks facing down. Take your middle planks, these you should have about 8 of when you buy a standard stack bed, unless you buy the one with the headboard, then you'll have 10. Holes facing upwards. This is going to be the easiest way, and this will hide the barrel nut screws. Okay, then inside every plank we put a barrel nut. It looks like so. Place the barrel nut inside of the plank, like so. Take the 100mm screws. You will have 2 lengths of screws in your packet. You want the longer one for this application. 100mm screws, and then just press it into the plank and just make sure it threads in properly before you start assembling it. If that works well, test all of your planks. Then take 2 of your dowels. This is the 40mm dowels. Press them into the sides of the planks, like so. Same on the other side. Push them into the side there. That. Then take your 100mm screw, press it in, and just hand tighten it for now. You do have an Allen key that came with. For now, hand tightening should be perfectly fine. Same on the other side. Here we go. Assembled headboard. You will have 4 of these in a normal stack bed, unless you bought the stack bed with the headboard, in which case you'll only have 3 of them. Perfect. You can now assemble the rest of them, and then we'll come back to it. Headboard assembly stack beds. You'll have 2 80cm long planks, and you'll have an additional 2 planks that make up the top of your headboard. Now, this is already assembled, and that's to show you the holes of the barrel nuts are at the back here, but you want your holes on the front of the planks to hide them away, so it just looks a lot better. So when we turn it around, you want the single hole to face up, with these barrel nut holes facing the same direction. Exactly the same as assembling the stack bed legs. You're first going to put your barrel nuts in, then put your 2 dowels in and screw it from the side. You can do one side complete, put them all in, tighten them all up, and then do your other side. That will be the easiest way to assemble this part of the bed. When this is done, and you have your 2 sides, then we can start with the long sides. We're going to do our long sides. So place your headboard against the wall to make sure that's staying upright. Then grab your long planks. Now, your long planks has a lip at the bottom. This is where the slats for the mattresses are going to be laying on. So put the long planks in the right directions, facing downwards. There we go, like so. And your foot piece is going to come at the far end, like so. Okay. This, you'll need the normal dowels. You'll also need the 80mm screws. This is the shorter one of the 2 screws, and of course barrel nuts. Okay, so exactly the same as the other planks. It's quite easy, this part. You put your dowels in the back of the plank. There we go. You check your screw first to make sure it goes in properly. Go, it's working well. And we're going to press it into the front of this plank. Press it in, and we're going to tighten from the back. Just like so. Once again, you can hand tighten this, and only when you're completely done with the whole frame, you fully tighten all your bolts. This will just help it come together much easier. Okay, other side, 2 dowels in. Take your slatted planks and your spacer block along with the small 40mm screw. Place the plank inside, take your spacer plank and space it on the side, making sure there is at least one spacer plank's width between every slat, and then follow that right through, and that's it. You can use a drill or you can use a screwdriver, it's up to you.